main event for the bantamweight belt. The champion Chungran Koran defends his belt against the Nepali hero Rabindra Dant. This one is going to be a banger. Stay tuned.
You know, I think Chungrang as the main event against Rabindra, it worked out really well. Rabindra is coming from his last fight at Brave, had a solid first round TKO finish against his opponent, and riding off that momentum, coming in against Chungrang, who's, I'd say, one of the best fighters we have on the MFN roster.
He's a young 25-year-old beast in my eyes. I can't even say it in words. You'll have to see it in his next fight, what the rest period was, whatever. That's not for me to say, that's for him to show.
बच्चा है, ठीक है. पहले इसका ब्रेन को तोड़ता है. इसका दिमाग पहले तोड़ेगा ना, इसको आराम से जीत सकता है. और दिमाग वीक हो गया, मेरे को इंडिया के लिए जान लेने के लिए रेडी हूँ. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. अच्छा है अभी तो बाय है फाइट के बाद फैमिली बन जाएगा
For the fans from Nepal, Rabindra Dant!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. Two men, one belt. Nepal's Rabindra Dant has thunder in both of his hands, but Chungrang Koran has the belt with 100% fight finishes. Whoever survives this early chaos might just walk out with that belt.
I mean, the bad blood between these two guys is evident. I mean, India and Nepal, we're friends. It's not a country thing. This is between two men. They've been talking for a long time. And don't get me wrong, Chungran Koran is such a sweet guy, but in his own sweet way, he's been dissing him. And Dant is here to prove a point. Dant comes in with incredible international experience. He's got some wins, some losses. And the fact that he said at the press con, and said before, leading up to the fight, even his corner said this, who has Chungran Koran really fought? Who has he really fought? And he mocked them by calling him, he took on fighters who were way past their prime. And he might have a point there because this is going to be Chungran Koran's real first fight against someone who's in his age, in his prime. And time will tell if it is going to work or not.
Well, here comes the Dant shot. Let's look at his keys to victory. He needs to weather the early storm, pick his own shots and counter effectively. And he needs to test his cardio in the later rounds. Rabindra Dant, he's the pride of Nepal, the only true breakout star from the land of Himalayas and the undisputed face of Nepal MMA. I mean, his journey has been nothing short of inspirational. Arjun, he started his life as a piece-weight labor, found true love in MMA, and he's always been fighting international opponents. His last fight was against the Chinese opponent at Brave Combat Federation, and he delivered a successful, a badass knockout.
And his opponent, the Indian Rhino, Chungran Koran.
Let's give it up for the reigning, defending MFN Bantamweight champion. From being absolutely nobody to the most dominant force in Indian MMA, MFN's Bantamweight champion Chungran Koran is here. I mean, it's taken everything for him to get here. No shortcuts, no easy roads, just sheer hard work, grit, and undeniably the best skill in the game.
You know, when I started working at, when I was part of I was invited to be part of the commentary team on Matrix Fight Night, and one of my first fight nights I saw Chungran Koran fight. The first thing that comes to mind is this man is like a fighter called Mark Munoz. Mark Munoz was a veteran fighter in the UFC more than 10 years ago, but this guy was known for his ground and pound and his Donkey Kong punches. And that's what I'm saying. The Donkey Kong punches of Chungran Koran is what led him to victory twice. He's been a fantastic fighter. He's got a great pressure game. If he gets a hold of you, you're in trouble. This man doesn't believe in just taking it out. The amount of strikes he threw against Mohammad Farad, I mean, I think I'm surprised his hand didn't break. I mean, the kind of finish rate that he has, the pressure that he puts on, he needs to do the same thing against his opponent. He needs to make sure he gets into space and execute that game plan. But Dant is a great striker in his own right. It'll all come down to who will go first in this fight.
He trains at Warriors Cove MMA, and there's been a lot of heat between these two camps, between Soma MMA and the Warriors Cove. There's been a lot of smack going on between the fans. And let's go over to Jared.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to India's most prestigious MMA showdown. We are live from Noida, India. This is Mixed Martial Arts. This is Matrix Fight Night. Brought to you by the trailblazing duo promoters, Krishna and Aisha Shroff. The judges in charge, Kate Side, are Ben Cartledge, Abhishek Bish, and Franco Ranieri. And the man in charge at the sound of the bell, Mark Goddard. Now, to everyone in attendance here inside the stadium, and to everyone watching around the world, this is Mixed Martial Arts. This is Matrix Fight Night and India. This is your main event. 5 rounds for the MFN Bantamweight title. First, presenting the challenger. He holds a professional record, 8 wins, 1 loss. He stands 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighted at 60.9 kilograms. Fighting out of Soma Fight Club and Lock and Roll MMA, representing Nepal. Make some noise for Rabindra Dant! And his opponent, presenting the champion, fighting out of the red corner. His professional record, 7 wins, 1 loss. He stands 5 feet 7 inches tall and weighed in at 61.2 kilograms. Fighting out of Warriors Cove, representing Manipur, presenting the reigning, defending Bantamweight MFN champion, the Indian Rhino, Chungran Koran!
Okay guys, here we go. Understand the rules, you find that, please listen to me, keep yourself protected. If I say stop, please stop. If you want to touch now, God bless.
Here we go, main event of the evening. Champion Chungran Koran will defend his belt against Rabindra Dant. This is a fight that's been waiting to happen. A lot of trash talk has gone back and forth between these two men. And finally, we're a few moments away from Mark Goddard making this fight official. Here we go. Round number one. Dant in the white trunks, Champ in the black and gold. A lot of questions are going to be answered here, my friend.
Again, a story of opposite stances. Oh! Chung charges in.
You know, it's interesting, in the fight against Muhammad Farag, we saw Farag get a fair amount of success on his feet earlier on. I mean, before, you know, Chung decided to take him down and Donkey Kong punch him. But
well, I've studied both these guys, and they absolutely have a mirrored life story and a mirrored skill set. It's like Chung Reng versus Chung Reng or Rabindra versus Rabindra. These guys are so evenly matched that it's going to be so tough to decide. Oh man!
Nice entry by Changran Koran. Comes over with the right hand, and good reversal by Rabindra Dant. He knew this was coming. He's trained for it. But what remains to be seen is the strength. His corner tells me that he's got a great strength. Oh, straight into mount.
Rabindra's gone them.
He's got the mount here, and look at the movement. It's still early in the fight. And Changran Koran, though, is eating a couple of shots. He's eating a lot of shots. Oh, a lot of shots. Rabindra Dant is teeing off on Changran Koran. Changran doing a good job defending this. But there's only so much you can do.
Rabindra has unleashed the beast in him.
The chin on Changran Koran, though. And look at that, the awareness. He's got a hold of that leg.
The right leg of Rabindra Dant. Oh!
Look at that again, trying to turn it around, but Rabindra Dant with superior positioning. Landing those shots to the side of the head, controlling his posture.
Well, that's exactly the same
thing that Changran normally does.
And he's been doing it in the last 4 fights against Kant.
Oh, look at the welt that's formed on the right-hand side of Changran's face. Man, he's taken a lot of shots.
Changran looks rocked.
Changran looks a little hurt still. He's still a little hurt because Rabindra Dant landed at least 20 or 30 big shots, and props to him. And again, man, there we go. We've never seen Changran Koran being Changran Koran because it's like a verb at this point.
He's getting outclassed now.
He's flattened him out in front of his corner, and now big shots here. Big shots. Changran Koran is in trouble early on in this round. It's just the first round. He's taken so much punishment, and that's what we said. I talked about it. Wrestlers like Changran Koran have not spent. They don't like to be on their backs. This is a different position for him. It's different to see how he's going to react. And Dant is having his way with him because the amount of punishment he's taken.
Let me tell you something.
Oh, this fight is going to be over anytime now. The kind of punches. Referee Mark Goddard.
Rabindra's team actually manifested this. They made a rap video wherein Rabindra is knocking out Changran Koran.
It's not over yet. It's not over yet. He's still in it. But Changran Koran has taken so much damage that Rabindra Dant he's holding on to the right hand, and he's trying to get up, but Rabindra Dant is trying to choke him out. I don't know what he's trying to do. The desperation move here from Changran Koran, very smart, because he was almost finished.
It's been for Rabindra Dant.
My God, dominant is an understatement, man.
He's known as Dant shot for a reason.
Look at that reversal. It's return fire from the champion. This fight is far from over, my friend. I mean, you never know.
You never know.
It's the amount of action that's happened in the first minute, in the first 3.5 minutes, and he's trying his best to drag him down. No, but you know what? It's part of the sport. Sometimes you use it to your advantage.
Changran fighting back now in the same manner as Rabindra did.
Changran, though, what a heart of a champion. He took a pounding.
He goes in for the double leg.
He's battered and busted up, but now he gets good defense, good hits from Rabindra Dant. And man, the right-hand side of Changran's face is busted up. Good trip from Rabindra. The reversal.
That's scrambling.
Man, again, Rabindra Dant again. And this is what I mean. Changran Koran is so tough, but Rabindra Dant is pouring.
We are yet to see a knockout tonight, and this could be it. Man. Both these guys Swinging for the fences. Oh,
The damage that Chungran Koren has taken so far, and the bombs that Rabindra Dutt is throwing at him.
Rabindra looks fresh.
Oh, beautiful. Caught him with the left coming in, and Chungran sloppy trying to land a big overhand right on him.
Don't swing wide.
And his corner smartly says, don't swing wild.
What a beautiful performance in round number 1 by Rabindra Dutt.
What a round and what a way to start off the championship fight. Incredible. Incredible.
We have never seen doing anybody doing this to Chungran Koren.
That's what we talked about. We talked about the fact that, maybe Dutt had a point. Maybe Chungran Koren's road has been against a lot of great former fighters. And Dutt immediately, he got taken. Chungran tried to trip him. Dutt reversed position. And this was the barrage of those strikes on the ground. There were at least 30 unanswered shots. And every time Dutt got position, he landed punishment. I almost thought the fight was over here. Another 10 seconds and referee Mark Gordon would have called it out.
Chungran Koren fighting back.
And Chungran, though, that's the warrior spirit within him. He's got so much of fire. He's never going to quit. And he's a champion for a reason. But I won't lie, that was a brutal round, a tough round to watch, because Chungran's eye is swollen up now. He's got a little bit of a hematoma on the right-hand side.
Get a grip of that corner. I don't want that to happen again.
And look at that. Chungran Koren is breathing a little heavily.
Turn around.
This
definitely looks rocked.
Mate, this is the damage. This is the damage quotient now. Because he's not sprightly. You can see he's flat-footed right now. And he's not moving as well. I mean, you never know. It's too early to tell. This is the championship fight. And Rabindra Dutt is ready for 5 rounds. But it's the amount of damage that Chungran took in the first round was something else, man. You can see that he's shaking off that leg with one kick. He's trying to wade in with some punches, but Rabindra Dutt sees it coming. Dutt now for a takedown of his own in his own corner. Chungran looking for submission. He's trying to lock his hands underneath and look for a choke. Oh, he might have. We can't really see here. You can see he's trying to squeeze onto his neck. And Rabindra Dutt, though, he's almost past into side control. Almost.
Well, if Chungran loses tonight...
And there you go. And again, he's holding onto an arm here. He was trying to look for a Kimura. And he's now in a much more dominant position. This is a weird position for Chungran Koren, because he can't really do a lot with that arm there, trapped. Big shots, and here it goes. We continue. And he's in a bad space. 3 minutes, 40 seconds to go, and he's not in his corner.
Well, if Chungran Koren loses tonight, he'll be the first Indian to lose his MFN title.
Man, it's just something. He's...
Quiet. Don't talk to me.
Oh, big slip from Dutt, and Chungran Koren capitalizes on this position. Oh, man, Dutt slipped over the top. Here we go. Dutt now reverses it. But Chungran Koren back on with that pressure. Don't ever count him out of a fight. This is a tough, grueling fight. We knew this was going to be a war. But Rabindra Dutt certainly getting the better of Chungran Koren so far. His corner is screaming something called UP style. I don't know what that means yet.
Or maybe it's the Yuki style, because Yuki's in his corner.
Oh, they're referring...
They've got his teammate Yuki in his corner.
Yeah, it's Yuki style. I thought UP style, like Uttar Pradesh style. That makes much more sense. But again, Rabindra Dutt again in a good position. Oh, big elbows. This is a bad spot. Very bad spot for Chungran Koren.
Kind of a crucifix.
And Chungran Koren trying to change position. Man, the heart of the champion is something to admire, because he's trying so hard. He's trying so hard to get control of the situation. Chungran Koren taking a breather here. He's a little little sneaky, Rabindra Dutt. He tried to get a switch here.
That's it. Low position now.
Here we go. Changran Koran, though, looking to get a better position. Oh, big shots.
Big shots.
Rabindra Dutt. Rabindra moving his head very well, though. Gets back to his feet.
Changran yet to do any damage to Rabindra.
हाथ लॉक रख और खड़े हो look गिर मत खड़े हो कवर से 1 minute 2 minutes
Very nice by Changran Koran. Reverses that position and now starts a barrage of his own strikes.
Starts pounding.
That's the Donkey Kong punches. Rabindra Dutt, though. Reverses position.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Doesn't go in his favor.
Bad position for Changran Koran. And will it be a matter of time? It's less than a minute.
Oh, man.
He's flattened him out. He's in a bad way. He might look for America now on that arm.
It's like Changran Koran getting a taste of his own medicine.
I mean, again,
exactly the same manner that he fights it.
He gave up. He lost position there, and now Changran back on top.
He's got his
so
arms
back
stuck.
and forth.
30 seconds lock it up
Oh, he's looking for a dash choke there. He's got his arm underneath. He's locked it on the bicep. Has he locked it on the bicep yet? There you go. He's got that. And he's got a front choke. He might have it. He's got a dash choke. 10 seconds.
This could be it.
10 seconds.
This could be
Can
it.
he survive for 10 seconds?
Oh, man.
Just 10 seconds. He's got a little bit more. I think he's okay.
Oh,
no,
saved
he's
by the
okay.
bell.
Saved by the bell.
Saved
man.
by the bell.
Man. Oh,
back
man.
and forth. Back and forth.
But the Changran Koran poured in his everything into that because he's taking a very, very long time to get up and go back to his corner. I don't think Changran Koran needs to be able to look at Mark Goddard so smartly saying he needs to be able to walk back to his corner.
Let's look at the action replay.
Just missed with that counter right, and that's what caused the slip back and forth.
That
in the
would have
corner.
been over.
Man, it was a tight DAS attempt, but that was then he lost position. He was too high on the back, gave up position, but Rabindra Dutt doesn't seem to be too affected by this. Those elbows again, I think, Changran it's the amount of punishment
damaged
he's
at the
taking.
moment. Changran definitely is
precisely,
damaged.
that's the right way of saying it.
And
He's
that's
damaged.
the choke that he locked in.
He
and
chopped
he
in
gave
the
it
DAS. He turned the right way. He needed to come in a little closer, but Dutt defended it so perfectly, creating just the right amount of space, knowing that there was 10 seconds to survive in the round. I mean, look at this. Ground control for Rabindra Dutt, 1 minute, 23 total strikes in just round number 2. We need to check round number 1. So round 1 is definitely above 100.
Don't do this to me. Don't do it.
a bit of scolding here by Mark Goddard.
But that's the Mark Goddard style. He's scolding everybody.
Let's go! Round number 3, ladies and gentlemen. This is the main event, and it's going to decide who walks home.
It just matters now who has more in the gas tank, because Changran normally, who is so strong and who's got such a good gas tank, he's taken so many shots. The way he's moving is weird. I mean,
he's a little bit slow for sure. I mean, a little bit is an understatement. He's slow for sure.
I mean, you can see he's gassed. You can see the reversal that happened there. It seemed academic here. And the way he escaped, Rabindra Dutt just backed up and pulled out. I'm surprised Rabindra Dutt let him up. Oh, stuck him. Oh, he hurt him with that one. But man, what a chin on Changran Koran. He's still in it. But there's only so many shots that the human skull can take. Another big one. Another big hand. Rabindra Dutt opening up. Just missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt. He's out.
This could be
He is out. We have a new champion. Rabindra Dutt has pulled off the upset. And the Soma team is going
could be the biggest upset in the history of Indian MMA.
I talked about it. I said that this will be the first real test for Changran Koran. And he saw it. He was beaten. His camp, deject, of course, a great attempt. He's a great champion. He gave it his all. My heart goes out to Changran Koran. But oh my goodness. Round number 3, the barrage of strikes that started it all. Let's take a look at the replays, because Rabindra Dutt did it. He did it. He said it. And Rahul, like you said, he manifested it and he made it happen.
So Rabindra manifested it. For the fans who are watching us, Rabindra's team made a video. It's a rap song with an animation. Shows the entire life story of Rabindra Dhat, from him breaking stones for a living to taking up MMA and then finally knocking out Chungren Koren.
I mean-
Man, this is manifestation, nothing else.
I mean, you know,
you
I
work
never-
hard, work in the right direction, have your right
Absolutely.
team, have the right team in place, and you can deliver the biggest surprise.
No, I'm talking about the fact that we knew somewhere that this was going to be his first real test. He talked, and his corner was right. He took on an aging Agasa, who was way past
Took
his
on
prime.
the aging Chaitanya Gavli.
He took on-
Again, Kantaraj was not in his prime.
No, Kantaraj's prime was in 2016. I mean, today,
Same
Kantaraj
with Farhad.
with Mohammad Farhad as well. This was the first fighter who was on his level, and he proved that it wasn't
And as
on
I
his
said,
level.
it's another Chungren Koren fighting Chungren Koren.
I mean, he
you know, it's like
Chungren.
Superman versus Superman.
Stellar performance. It was a stellar performance. I mean, we got referee Jim Purdias next to me. What a fight, right? I mean, I can't even begin to stress. We have a new champion. Sonam Zamba did the business tonight, and now Chungren Koren, you can see. I mean,
Man.
the doctors are checking on him. His corner is checking on him to check if he's okay. He will live to fight another day. This is part of the sport, winning and losing. But man, this was Rabindra Dant's moment, and he did it. Incredible.
Well, the bantamweight belt initially went to Pakistan. Ulumi earned it at MFN 10 after defeating Dhruv Chaudhary. And then later he had to vacate the title. Chungren Koren came up, won the title, and tonight Rabindra Dhat has made history in Indian MMA and in the MMA history of Nepal to be the first ever
I mean, I met his corner.
fighter
and we
from
were-
Nepal to win a title at Matrix
Exactly.
Fight Night. Look at that! Look
It's
at that
great.
finish. Drop
I mean,
Chungren Koren.
there you go. That was the end. It was
Man.
over.
This
It was
is
over.
the biggest upset of the evening and the only knockout
Oh,
that
yes,
we
you
see
got
at
your
MFN
knockout.
17.
You got your knockout.
We've been waiting for a knockout
Man.
and Rabindra Dhat
My
does
God.
it in fashion.
It's the way he did it. He broke
Oh.
him down. And to do that to Chungren Koren says something. That he came in with a game plan. They knew what they were doing.
Well, it could be
and they broke him
overconfidence
down.
as well.
No. You know what? Chungren Koren is
I
such
mean, you
a
can't
solid
replace
fighter.
the skill with anything else.
It's not like it's you know, it's not like Chungren Koren got just suddenly flash knocked out. He broke him down in his manner. He broke him down with a barrage of strikes over and over again. He tired him out. He hurt him constantly. It was incredible. And Chungren Koren is in no. I think it's okay. He's going to let him walk out on his own. The stretcher is not needed right now. But man, oh man, it's a scary moment whenever we see a fighter take that kind of punishment. It's a scary moment when we see. And quickly, let's go for the final decision. For one last time, Jared Kyle, give us the decision in the cage.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Mark Goldard called the stop of this fight after 54 seconds of round 3 for your winner by knockout and the new MFN Bantamweight World Champion Rabindra Dhat!
You know, I say this over and over again. They can, if there are two title fights, both champions will never retain. Never.
Let's
Never.
hear it for the champion, Rabindra! All right. That was a clinic. You're called one of the best fighters in Southeast Asia. You proved it today. What a fan following in there. Big round of applause for the entire Nepalese contingent that has come down. But you knew you had it. You didn't have much to prove. But coming into MFN and doing it like this, fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, first of all, my team. My team, Soma, Lock and Roll. Soma team, Coach Yusuf, Mike. Thank you, Yuki here. Congratulations, Jack. You did a good job. And thank you, Tuesday. he supported me a lot. When I into the Kathmandu, that time he supported me. Nepalma, Kathmandu गएदेखि मलाई चाहिँ
Join the Airdrop Carnival now. Over 20,000 official merch, permanent items, phones, and affiliate perks await. Rewards guaranteed. Unbox your surprise. Congratulations to Macaron on becoming the lead airdrop partner.
Rabindra, ladies and gentlemen, he deserves every bit of it. You got some more things? Yes.
Thank you, Sisan bhai. You support me a lot. And MFN में मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा MFN में आने के लिए जैकी श्रॉफ सर, thank you so much. उन्होंने मुझे ये फाइट दिलाई. उन्होंने बोला कि MFN को रविंद्र को लाओ. मैं 3 साल पहले से कोशिश कर रहा था MFN में फाइट करने के लिए, जस्ट फाइट दो करके, लेकिन पहले कोई और थे, उन्होंने कुछ सुना नहीं. पर जैकी श्रॉफ सर ने एक फाइट देखी, बुलाया, आओ. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू भाई समम. थैंक यू एवरीवन. थैंक यू टीम ध्रुव. थैंक यू. That's it. Oh, thank you supporters. नेपालबाट यहाँ आउनुभएको. Thank you so much everyone. And मेरो पुरानो टिम Combat MMA Club. Thank you guys. Jai Nepal. Jai Hanuman. Thank you. That's it.
The champion, Rabinder! From MFN 17. It was historic. One of the best fight cards. All of them going right down till the end. Such evenly matched fighters, and that's exactly what it's supposed to be. We've got a champion right here, brand new with us. So from Greater Noida and from Jio Hotstar.
One word. Maybe I deserve a bonus. Thank you.
You deserve a bonus. We'll tell Aisha Shroff that. But it's been fantastic. As I say goodnight from the cage here, I'm going to throw it to the comms. It's been historic, and it's only just beginning.
Historic indeed, my friend, because MFN 17 has not just performed, it delivered in every conceivable way. I mean, culminating with a new champion. The champ, Jungran Koran, got defeated, and Rabindra Dutt did the business in the most spectacular way possible. And of course, the first ever, the vacant strawweight, the strawweight champion, a new strawweight champion in Sonam Zomba, took on Safeva, a fantastic fighter, a Russian champion, and came out victorious. Top to bottom, the card was spectacular. International fighters, international fights, only action, top to bottom, only at Matrix Fight Night. My name is Arjun Chapalkatti. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been an absolute pleasure. We will see you for the next one. Good night.